Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to enable mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A05s. So here is my phone. First you need to have a SIM card inside your phone, and then to enable mobile hotspot we have two ways. The first one, just go to settings, tap on connections. Here tap on mobile hotspot and tethering, and from here you can enable mobile hotspot very easy. Just tap here and this will turn off Wi-Fi. Just tap turn off, and now it's enabled, and tap again to go inside. And here we have some settings. This is the network name. This is the password, and also here we have the band. You can configure these features. You can change the network name, also the password, and here where you see band, you can choose between 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. Okay, and then just tap save, and that's all. So it is very easy. The second way, just go to the top bar, swipe again, and here we have mobile hotspot. From here you can disable it or you can enable it. Very easy. Just turn off the Wi-Fi, and if you will push it here where is written mobile hotspot, you can see the details, and you can configure the network, password, and the band. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.